there's this new cool product. So imagine you have your screen, your phone, you can bend it into any shape and you can keep it. So that's one of the cool technology.
LG stretchable disc. You want LG to sue us, Ife? You want LG to sue us? The next technology we want to look at now is the LG stretchable display. So what is amazing about this technology is the fact that, like Ife mentioned, it is stretchable. That represents, I mean, just imagine having that LED experience on a foldable screen that you can adapt on your environment in any shape or form that you want it.
Yeah.
You know, you can roll it up and all of that. Let's watch this video, then we can talk about it afterwards. Yes, Ife.
Yeah, so what do you think about this technology?
Before I tell you what I think about it, I'm going to share a true story with you. Very true story. You know, and the rate at which technology is going, just for you to have a sense of how annoying this can be sometimes. I mean, this was way back in the late 90s, actually. Back on the island, Lagos Island, where I grew up from. So my brother just came back. He used to work on the sea. Like, he came back and we thought we should, you know, renovate our room, improve some of the things we had then. So part of what he came back with, we went to get a TV, right? We got one of those Sony TV box that has a tube, right? Guess what? When we got back home and we, you know, connected the TV and we wanted to start watching, the first advert I saw, I'm sure you can get the advert online now. The first advert I saw was an advert showing Sony kicking. They just launched a new product. LCD just came out then. Sony used the TV we just got that particular week to play football. Like asking you to kick away, you know, that box TV. The guy just brought it down and play football with it and kick it off. Like, this is a terrible this is terrible, and he replaced it with a new LCD. So a TV I got that is 1 week old, the same Sony is asking me to kick it away and replace it with LCD. That's how quickly and how fast technology is moving these days. So look at this particular one. I mean, if I compare it with what's it called, the Apple Vision Pro that we talked about, the use case for this is limitless.
Yeah.
I mean, I think this is an amazing technology, right? I'm interested in how it works, its functionality. How do you charge it? Do you understand what is the quality of the pixel and all of that? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, well, currently for my research, so they've achieved about 20% stretchability. So it means you can stretch it up to 20% for now. So it is not a technology you can achieve like close 80 to 100% stretchability. And also they have a resolution of 100 ppi with full color RGB. In addition to flexibility, durability, and reliability, it is highly resilient also. So it is not just something that that'll just get.
Is it waterproof? Is it waterproof?
Yeah, it is waterproof.
Well, the application for this is so limitless. Okay, I mean, why would I need a projector if I have something like this, right? Why would I need a display board if I have something like this? So many use cases actually. When is the technology due for launch?
So they've actually launched since 2022, but I think
commercialized. Has it been commercialized?
No, that's the point. Commercialized. You know, there are some technologies that would be so advanced that it won't be suitable for this era. So I think this technology is part of it. This foldable technology.
Okay. But trust me, you know, sometimes when technology is still a concept, you'll be surprised and shocked that some of these things have been rolled out in China already.
Yeah. So I think in China they have this stretchable board. They use it for billboard adverts. No, China is far ahead when we are talking about technology. They have the resources with them. I mean, they have silicon. They have that access to this raw material, so it makes it easy for China.
So let's bring it back to Africa. Let's bring it back to Africa, right? The silicon that you just mentioned now, some of the raw materials that is driving technology of the future.
Lithium.
Lithium.
That is lithium for battery production. Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So, like, I mean, if we really get our acts together, you know, there's a lot of, billions of dollars, right, down the ground that if we do the right thing, we'll get the best out of it. Amazing technology.
Yeah.
Right.
The technology.